Good morning, students. Let's continue the lesson number 3, third session, Taro's Reward. We had learned that the magical waterfall gave Shake to only Taro, not to greedy people, villagers, because they were very greedy. And waterfall gave Shake to Taro because he was kind and thoughtful son. Okay, let's read the lesson. We have been tricked. Tricked means deceived, cheated. The villagers thought that we have been cheated by Taro. Shouted the villagers. Villagers shouted that we have been cheated by Taro. Where is Taro? Let us drown him in this waterfall. The villagers decided to drown. Drown means डूबा के मार देना. Okay, so villagers decided to drown him in this waterfall. They want to drown Taro in the waterfall. But Taro had been wise and enough to sleep behind the rock. Taro was very wise. He was hearing all the things behind the rock. When he saw how things were going, he was nowhere to be found. Muttering. Muttering means मन में बड़बड़ाना. Muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. When villagers not found Taro, they left the place one by one. Taro came out from his hiding place. When he was hiding, he came out from there. Was it true? He wondered. He also wondered about the muttering of villagers. Was the Shake a dream? He also thought that the Shake was his dream or what? Once more he caught a little liquid in his hand and put it to his lips. He also wanted to taste the waterfall's water. Was it water or Shake? So he caught a little liquid in his hand and put it to his lips to taste the water. It was the same fine Shake. When he tasted the water, it was the same fine Shake, not the water. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious Shake. Because of Taro was very thoughtful, so magic waterfall gave the Shake to Taro. To everyone else means the villagers, it gave only cold water. The villagers was very greedy. Greedy means the person who wants more and more. Okay, so the villagers were very greedy. So waterfall gave only cold water to villagers and Shake to Taro. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. The story of magic waterfall that gave Shake to Taro. That story reached at the Emperor of Japan also. Emperor means king. King के पास ये स्टोरी जा पहुँचती है कि वाटरफॉल जो है वो शाके दे रहा है किसको? तारो को, और अन्य लोगों को वो सिर्फ पानी दे रहा है. ओके, सो दिस स्टोरी रीच एट द एम्पायर ऑफ जापान. ही सेंड फॉर द यंग वुड कटर. सेंड फॉर का मतलब है कॉल्ड. द किंग कॉल्ड फॉर द यंग वुड कटर नेम तारो. तारो को बुलाया जाता है. एंड रिवार्डेड हिम विथ 20 pieces ऑफ गोल्ड. The king rewarded Taro with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. Taro was very good and kind person, so king rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. The emperor said that was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. So, the question framed from here: why did the emperor reward Taro? So, the answer will be from here. The emperor rewarded Taro to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. To honor and obey their parents. The answer will be this. So, the moral of this story is: Taro's reward: all children should to honor and obey their parents, be good and be kind as Taro. Thank you for watching the story of Taro's reward. You have to identify the new words and also do the exercise given in the textbook. You should write new words and question answer in your rough notebook. Thank you.